Hey, you looking for a way to make a little extra money on the side, maybe a side gig, side hustle, maybe you want to turn it into a full-time gig. Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 5 different websites that you can look at to jump in and start creating your side hustle today. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Mark here from 𝗦𝗣𝗡𝗖𝗜𝗔𝗟, and today I'm going to show you 5 different websites that you can literally dive into today after watching this video and start to create another stream of income into your life. I'm going to give you 5 websites, fairly straightforward, does not take rocket science to dive into, but it's going to take a little bit of setup at first, but once you get it set up, it's rocking and rolling. You just literally need to plug and play and just let the fun begin. All right guys, let's jump to the first website. Let's do it. All right, so this first website is a website that I've used in the past. It's fairly straightforward if you are creative, if you enjoy creating content, if you know how to create videos or tutorial videos. This would be an amazing website for you to jump into and start to sell your knowledge and sell your ideas and sell videos of you teaching people how to do different things. So the name of the website is called Skillshare, and Skillshare basically, you're able to teach on Skillshare and share your passions with members all around the world. So Skillshare is a global website. People from all around the world can learn from your knowledge. It's pretty straightforward. If you want to become a teacher, you can jump onto Skillshare.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you can look under teaching. It says Teaching Academy or Become a Teacher. Click on Become a Teacher to lead you to this page right here. This is a website for you to become known in your industry, to become an authority. So in order for you to gain a brand or gain people that want to follow and hear what you have to say, you have to have some type of authority in their eyes. They need to know that you're the expert in your field. Now, maybe you're not the expert in the industry, but here's the thing, you only need to know a little bit more than the average person in order for people to start paying attention to you. If you just read a chapter ahead of everybody else, if you just studied a little harder than everybody else, you're going to be able to create a voice in an industry, and people are going to be able to look and depend on you for knowledge. Now, the sad thing about it is most people are lazy. They don't want to take the time to study and look into information for themselves. So what they do is they depend on other people. Well, cha-ching, that's good news for you and me, because that means we can create content based on our knowledge and our ability, and we can then share it with the world and put a price tag to it. Now, there's a lot of people out there sharing a lot of free information, and by all means, share your information free if you want to do that. But there's also a way to monetize it if you are looking to do that. And you don't have to take advantage of people in order to monetize your content. You can monetize it for a reasonable fee. And you got to think about it like this. What is the time that it's spent to take you to actually create that content? What's that time worth? That's your opportunity cost, right? So if it took you 10 hours to create and edit a video or a series of videos, well, think about, what are you worth? Are you worth $10 an hour? If so, then you want to probably charge $100 for that course. If you're worth $100 an hour, then you might want to consider charging $1,000 if you created 10 videos that took you an hour each to create. Just something to think about. You want to think about what your worth is, and then you don't want to sell yourself short. Put a price tag on it people are willing to pay for. Not too high, not too low, because then if it's too low, they won't think it's really serious. Sometimes people don't take serious things that don't have a good price tag on it, because that means they're not going to invest that much into it. And when you don't invest anything into something, you don't really tend to take it seriously. So this is a great website for you to learn how to develop a voice in your community and in your industry. I highly recommend jumping on Skillshare.com, and if you're not even a teacher and you just want to learn some new skills, definitely go ahead and check it out. It's an incredible program. I've used it for many years, and there's going to be a link down in the description for you to get a little more information and learn on how to do that. We're going to jump into the next website. Next website is called Depop. Now, Depop is a website where you can literally buy and sell goods. You can buy and sell clothing. And again, it's a global website, so you can buy and sell all over the world. Say you have a pair of Jordans that you paid $200 for and you've never worn them. Well, list them on Depop and sell them for maybe that price that you purchased it for, or a little bit less, just so you can get your money back. Maybe you have a vintage pair of sneakers that you want to sell and you can get a good penny for it. Maybe you want to up the price a little bit and sell it. Maybe you have some vintage clothing, or maybe you're a hat designer and you create these really nice hats. Well, jump onto Depop and start to list your clothing, your designs. Maybe you're a t-shirt artist and you have a local t-shirt printer that prints really good quality t-shirts at a really reasonable price. Well, take your t-shirts and list them on this website. Maybe you have a custom brand or a custom logo on your t-shirt. Do that. Maybe you're just a screen printer from your home or in your garage, and maybe you doodle on sneakers, or you doodle on t-shirts, or you doodle on your jeans, and you can create custom apparel for people, maybe on demand, or maybe to order or to spec. Well, this is a great opportunity for you to jump on Depop. You can jump on Depop.com and you can create a free account, and you can just start listing your stuff. Start listing your information there and start selling your stuff. Create a brand name for yourself. It's a great way to start making some extra income on the side. Definitely want to do your research. If you can click on sell on Depop, you can go ahead and look at all the different ways to do that. And yeah, that'll be really good. So I'm going to give you the third website for you to check out. The third website is called Medium. Now, if you're a writer, if you like sharing your voice across the blog format, Medium is a great way for you to earn income. Recently, well, maybe not recently, but fairly recently, they started a partner program. Now, the partner program allows people to write and monetize their blog or monetize their writing. Now, for this one, all you have to do is jump on medium.com/earn. You can go ahead and look at that, and then you can click and join the Medium Partner Program. Now, you can also look at the information, writing something good, putting your story to work, getting recommended to readers. So with Medium, people get to upvote, or they get to like your content, and what it does is it boosts your story up in the algorithm of the Medium platform. And so the more people that like your information, the more people that engage and comment. It's a lot similar to Facebook or Twitter or any other social media platform. This is really a social media platform. It's for people to come and meet other people and build a community around a specific niche or a specific category. Maybe it's not as interactive as, say, Facebook, but again, it can be, because on Medium you can write blogs, you can put videos and pictures and podcasts and links inside of your blog. So it's a little more long formatted. I mean, it doesn't have to be long. You can create short little blurbs on your blog as well. But it's a great way to express your voice. It's a great way to start to build a brand, build brand recognition, and to, again, build yourself up as an authority in your space. Say you have a yoga studio or a Pilates studio, or you have an art gallery. Well, by all means, jump on Medium, apply for the partner program, and start to write what's in your heart. Start to write passionate things that will maybe move people, that'll bring emotion to people. That way they'll like on it, they'll comment on it, they'll share it with their friends. It'll boost your content higher in the algorithm, and the more engagement you have through the partner program, the more potential you have to earn as well. So by all means, jump on here, click join the Medium partner program, go ahead and sign in with Google, Facebook, or your email address, and start to read the fine details about how to get involved. But this is a great opportunity for you to share your voice across an incredible platform. All right, cool. So this is the third website, and the platform is Shopify, but it's not your traditional Shopify store where you go ahead and sell like a product or drop ship a product. This is actually called POD, or print on demand. On this one, you're going to open up your Shopify store. You're going to go ahead and download the app Printfy. Now, Printfy is a third-party website that plugs into Shopify, and basically all you do for Printfy is you upload cool designs. Now, do you have to be a graphic designer to upload these cool designs? Absolutely not. You can use websites like Canva and any website that is similar to Canva. Canva is a free website where you can actually go ahead and you can create designs. And say, for instance, you want to create a t-shirt. You can go ahead and click create a design and you type in t-shirt. And boom, it gives you an area to create your design. They even have designs that you can use. So say you want to just create a cool t-shirt, boom, you click on a template and then you can go ahead and change all the text in there. And you can make it about anything you want. You want to change it to a different template, boom, you just click it, change it to template, change the text, maybe change some of the coloring. You download this as a JPEG or a PDF or a PNG. And then you can go ahead and upload it into the Printfy portal. Now again, it's going to take a little bit of setting up at first, but this is a great way to start to get your creative ideas out there in the world. Now once you have your store up, maybe take maybe an hour or so to create your store, put a nice header up there, make sure you have a nice logo, fill your store in with all the appropriate information and the products that you have designed, and then you're going to have to run some traffic to that store. Now traffic doesn't have to be paid. You can do free traffic. Start a TikTok account, start an Instagram account, start a Pinterest account, share it over Twitter or Facebook. Organic traffic works wonders if you're consistent and you do it on a regular basis and you just share your ideas, and then you have friends who want to share, and then you have people who like and comment, and that again boosts your post up in that platform through the notorious algorithm. So Printfy is an awesome website to do print-on-demand shirts. You don't have to host any inventory. You don't have to have anything. You basically just upload your design. You list it in your store. When somebody comes and places an order, it sends it to Printfy's warehouse. They go ahead and print it. They box it, they ship it on your behalf, and if the customer wants to do a return or give it back or exchange it, they handle all of that as well. You don't have to do any of that. So it's a really easy way to jump in there, start to make a little extra income on the side, and be creative. Share your creative voice. I'm all about creativity. I'm all about sharing your creative authority out there in the space and building a brand that people are going to know and recognize for a long time. Like think about Nike. All you see now is the little swoosh. You don't even see Nike and you know what it is. That's the type of brand recognition that if you hit the ground hard enough that you can achieve over the next few years. So again, try Printfy through the Shopify platform. Really great website to try. And I'm going to show you the fourth website that actually also integrates with Shopify. Again, you can get a 14-day free trial. And sometimes they have specials where you can get actually a 30-day free trial. You just have to jump on their website and check it out. But 𝗟𝗡𝗚. Now, 𝗟𝗡𝗚 is one of my favorite apps that you can dive into and check out. I actually have some links down below. All these links are going to be in the description. 𝗟𝗡𝗚, I have a free dropshipping 101 course that you can jump into. Usually charge about $50. It's absolutely free right now. Click the link down below, start your free account, and just learn how to dropship. Dropshipping is basically sourcing products from overseas, or even in the United States, but sourcing products from a vendor or a manufacturer and cutting out the middleman. And it's called dropshipping. And dropshipping, again, you don't have to have any inventory. You don't have to have any products in your garage. You don't have to worry about any of the returns or anything, any of the exchanges. You literally connect two people together through your store online, and you'll learn all about that on the 𝗟𝗚𝗚 website. You can go ahead and click Get 𝗟𝗚𝗚 now through the link down below. Start your free dropshipping 101 course. And 𝗟𝗚𝗚 is a great place to source products. You can source products. There's tons of different tools. There's a dropshipping hub. There's many videos. There's free ebooks. There's podcasts that you can look at. You can even jump on their Instagram account. Their Instagram account actually has a lot of cool resources. Look at all the pictures and go through all the pictures that they have on their Instagram account. They really give you a lot of good ideas. So just to recap, I think I got the numbers all wrong, but I think we have 5 websites. So we have Skillshare is the first one to share your voice and to teach tutorials and teach people how to do things. Then we have Medium, where you can get paid for writing your videos. That's number 2. Then we have Depop, where you can buy and sell. That's number 3. You can buy and sell different types of apparel or creative things that you design yourself. That's number 3. Then we have Shopify, Printfy actually, which is connected to the Shopify store. That's number 4. And then, yes, number 5, I think I did get the numbers wrong, but number 5 is the 𝗟𝗚𝗚 app that actually also connects to your Shopify store. more that you can start diving into drop shipping. And again, there's a free drop shipping course down below in the description. So guys, there are your 5 websites where you can start creating a passive income or a reoccurring income by buying and selling things, by sharing your voice across a platform, by becoming an authority in your space and building a brand for yourself. I hope this information helped you. I hope it was valuable. If it was, you guys know what to do. I hate when people say smash that like button, but hey guys, the reality is it does help our videos and it helps us boost to the top of the YouTube algorithm. And if you don't press like and if you don't comment down below, that means I have less engagement. That means less people are going to see this information. So if you do want to help this channel and you do want to support us, there's a few things you can do. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, click some of the links down below, comment. Let us know your thoughts or anything else that you want to let us know down in the comments. Even if you hated this video, please let me know. I appreciate all the comments. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Stay funky, stay fresh, stay awesome, and be a light to the world. We'll see you guys later. Peace.